Good morning, everyone. Today's my topic of presentation is tinnitus. Firstly, I want to tell you some facts about tinnitus. Bewitched ear, worm in the ear, acoustic hallucination. Firstly, the treatment remedy is given by Aristotle, who proposed masking tinnitus with an external stimulus as a remedy. Now, what is tinnitus? Tinnitus is the description of a noise inside a person's head in the absence of auditory stimulation. जब कोई नॉइज ना होते हुए भी किसी पर्सन को बाहर की चीजें सुनाई दे, कुछ स्टिमुलेशन हो, उसे हम कहते हैं टिनाइटस. टिनाइटस इज नॉट अ डिजीज. एक्चुअल में ये कोई डिजीज नहीं है, बट अ कंडीशन दैट कैन रिजल्ट फ्रॉम अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ अंडरलाइंग causes. What are the causes of tinnitus? Ear problems, neurological disorders, psychiatric disorders, metabolic disorders, and many more. Types of tinnitus. It may be objective or it may be subjective. In some cases, others can perceive an actual sound coming from the person's ear. This is called objective tinnitus. Objective tinnitus can arise from muscle spasm or vascular in origin. Subjective. The most common cause is noise-induced hearing loss. Others caused include toxic drugs and drug withdrawal. Here are some categories are given and some conditions associated with that. Like some categories like ear problems, neurological conditions, metabolic disorder, and these are the conditions associated with that. With the ear problem, the condition is acoustic shock, noise induced, etc. With the neurological conditions, multiple head injury, and many more. With the metabolic disorder like thyroid disease, hyperlipidemia, vitamin B12 deficiency, iron deficiency, anemia, etc. With psychiatric disorder, depression, anxiety, and many more. Evaluation is diagnosis, severity, auditory evoked response. Diagnosis. It may be subjective or objective. Severity. It may be validated self-report or may be questionnaires. Management. How can we manage these? There are some modes are given like psychotherapy and reassurance, relaxation and biofeedback techniques, sedation and pharmacotherapy, masking, maneuvers and devices. Firstly, I want to explain psychotherapy and reassurance. This therapy for patients with subjective form. Psychological counseling may help these type of patients. Next is biofeedback technique. Biofeedback is a relaxation technique that teaches people to control certain autonomic body functions such as pulse, muscle tension, and skin temperature. The goal of biofeedback is to help people manage stress in their lives, not by reducing the stress, but by changing the body reaction to it. Pharmacotherapy, acute type tinnitus, systematic delivery, local therapy, chronic tinnitus, others, misoprostol, and many more that are given here. Other modalities of treatment: HPO therapy, sound therapy, tinnitus training therapy, maskers, noise generators, hearing aids, tinnitus instrumental, cognitive behavior therapy, music therapy. Lots of therapies are here to cure this type of disease. Recent advance, acoustic coordinated recent neuromodulation, magnetic and electrical brain stimulation. Now I'll explain it in Hindi. What is Karannaad? Tinnitus means Karannaad. जब वायु विरुद्ध मार्ग में जाकर शब्दवाही नाड़ियों में अवस्थित होता है, तब रोगी अनेक प्रकार के शब्द सुनता है और इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? करन्नाद. और इसको इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं हम? tinnitus. करन्नाद. जब वायु शब्दवाही सिराओं में स्थित हो, उस समय रोगी अकस्मात ही नाना प्रकार के मतलब बहुत टाइप के शब्द सुनता है, जिसे हम कहते हैं करन्नाद. Thank you very much.